I would like to do a spotlight of our Herbalife Aloe Vera Concentrate. Okay, so we're focusing on aloe vera concentrate as our product spotlight today. Okay, and I do want to talk a little bit about it, like the benefits of aloe vera concentrate, and also how is it different to consuming like an aloe vera plant, or I don't know, like consuming an aloe vera juice. Right. So firstly, all of you guys are drinking this for your breakfast, right? And let me know in the comments if you like it and how much you like it and what is your favorite flavor of aloe vera concentrate. My personal favorite, I like original flavor, and also I love the mango flavor. And not to mention the mandarin flavor is amazing as well. So I do like a little bit of that fruity, flavor twist to the aloe vera. And the one I'm holding here, right here, is the original one. So it has no any fruity taste to it. And the aloe vera here is so good for helping us with our digestion. And it's really good for bowel movement as well. So which is why a lot of you guys, when you start using it, you found that your bowel movement has become a lot more smooth. And especially for a lot of us, after about 10 minutes after the breakfast, like we kind of feel like, okay, I gotta go to the toilet and unload and get the waste out of your body, right? So it really has that magic of soothing the digestion and also make your bowel movement a lot more smooth. But also, did you know that by drinking aloe vera, you're also helping your body absorb nutrients? Yeah, it really helps your nutrients, helps the nutrients from the food that you eat to be absorbed, like properly absorbed into your body. Okay, so I will explain the science another time because I do need to show you guys a chart and draw things on the board, and then you understand why it does that. So if anyone's interested in the science, do let me know, and I'll put out a chart and explain to you guys how does it help your body absorb the nutrients properly. Okay, so here if I just verbally explain it, it will be kind of hard to visualize how it happens. Okay, and also those of you who have occasional indigestions, or if you have like stomach bloating or anything to do with your digestion, aloe vera concentrate here is your savior. Okay, and just to let you guys know that it's actually very versatile. I know most of you guys know that you got to do 3 caps of aloe vera plus your glass of water in the morning, right? But did you know that you can actually drink this throughout the day? Yes, you can just drink this, any time of the day. And the more you drink it, obviously, the more you're helping your body hydrate, and also, the better your digestion becomes. Right. But I do have to mention that those of you with, I know it's very rare. I haven't really met many of you here or, ever in my 7 years of coaching, that some people may have very, very sensitive stomach. Okay, sensitive stomach meaning that if you put any kind of food that is cooling into the body, I'm not talking about like ice drinks or anything like that, but we're talking about foods which have actually cooling properties according to TCM, then like having too much aloe vera may actually increase the yin energy, the yin and yang, the yin energy in the body. So for those people, right, which is the minority of people who have very, very yin sensitive stomach, right, any kind of like overconsumption of yin quality food or cooling quality food can actually cause a bit of like diarrhea or some kind of reactions, right? So that is something I do have to mention. Okay, yeah, so basically in short, aloe vera concentrate is very versatile. You can mix it in your water, mix it in your tea, obviously in your beverages. You can even cook with it. Yeah, and I'm gonna share some recipes with you guys after my video, so you can see that you can actually use aloe vera concentrate apart, like outside of just drinking it. You can also put it into your baking, put it into your cooking. Yeah, a lot of things you can do with it. Now, one important thing I have to mention about, how is it different consuming aloe vera concentrate versus consuming the actual plant, right? So there is a substance from aloe vera leaves. It's called aloin. Okay, it's spelled as A-L-O-I-N, aloin. Okay, so aloin is a substance that actually would function like a laxative. So it will actually make people have like diarrhea. Okay, and it's actually not really something, it's not recommended to ingest aloin. Okay, but aloin comes with aloe vera. Okay, so for like a safe consumption of aloe vera, okay, the scientists actually have invented a purification process. A purification process where, you know, the aloes are removed from the aloe vera. Okay, so in you know, Herbalife, you know, aloe vera concentrate, the aloe has already been removed. They use the process, the purification process to remove the aloe, which is basically taking away the laxative, you know, from the aloe. Imagine if the aloe is still in here, then, you know, like we were actually not considered to be safe to be ingested for everybody. I mean, obviously some people may be okay with it, but a lot of people are not okay when they actually ingest like raw aloe vera leaves. Okay, so that is something I do want to share with everyone. You know, like raw aloe vera leaves, you know, is really amazing if you put it on your skin, if you have sunburn, right? It's great for external use, but for, you know, oral consumption, you really have to be careful because the aloe is still there. Right, so that is something I really have to mention. And with the aloe vera concentrate, it's absolutely safe. Aloe is removed. Right now, a lot of you are probably going to mention to me or have mentioned to me that there are so many types of like aloe vera juice that are available out there, right, on the shelf in the market. And I'll tell you this: most of the aloe vera juice I've had a look at, right, there are usually not aloe vera juice. They're usually like sugar drinks, right? So a very easy way to look at it is, because I had this girl that showed me like some kind of aloe vera juice she bought from Costco. And I was like, yeah, you should check the label because I don't really know how much aloe vera you get from that juice. Right, so like in most cases, you know, you will have lots of water, you know, and lots of like different syrups or different types of sweetener, and the actual aloe vera is only like tiny bit, right? And so you guys have to be very careful what are the added kind of ingredients in the aloe vera juice that you find outside. And so a lot of times you end up consuming just sugar, a bunch of like sugar juice, right, instead of actual aloe vera. So which is why, like I tell a lot of people, you know, I don't really buy personally, and also in my community, we don't really buy those aloe vera juice because we have this, right? We have aloe vera concentrate. So if you want some kind of aloe vera drink, we go home and make ourselves a beautiful aloe vera drink. You can mix it with still water, mix it with ice. You can mix it with any kind of like cucumber or fruit infusion. You can even have it with your carbonated sparkling water, right? And that can actually replace your soda, your pop. Right, so this is our, you know, healthy substitute of the aloe vera juice. Okay, so that's something I want to share with you guys. What else? Yeah, and you know, very often, you know, with the juice that you find, you know, from commercial shelves, right? They're usually loaded with different like lots of calories and a lot of sugar. And the good news about the aloe vera concentrate is that it's 0 calories. This is 0 calories. So if you mix it with water, still 0 calories. Okay, your calories will only go up when you start to mix in other things with it and you're ingesting. Okay, so I can tell you most of the time, if you just mix that with water, it's 0 calories. That's amazing, isn't it? That's why you can see how aloe vera is such an amazing tool, and it's an amazing savior and helper in, you know, everyone's weight management journey, in your healthy lifestyle journey, right? So that's something that I want to bring everyone's attention to today. And now I'm going to tell you quickly what you can do with the aloe vera concentrate when it comes to recipes, right? So obviously, apart from mixing with water, you can mix it with like, you can mix it in your shakes as well. Yes, you can mix in your shakes. And also, if you want to be creative, you can add in like, you know, lift off. You can add the tea. What else? The protein beverage mix, right? The peach one, and any other kind of like, you know, Herbalife beverages or even sports drinks like CR7. You can mix them with aloe vera. It is just so versatile. And I'm gonna share a recipe with you guys after the video, which is a mango coconut lime protein pudding. You're right, yeah, so it's a dessert recipe that you can actually mix in aloe vera as well. And also, a good news for those of you who like to make your own salad dressing, you can use aloe vera concentrate to make your own salad dressing as well. which is a much healthier and much lower calorie dressing than the stuff that you get from outside, right? And let me see what else I can share with you guys. Oh yeah, you can also cook your chicken. You can also cook your chicken with herbal concentrate. I mean, the herbal aloe vera concentrate, right? So like those of you who like to roast chicken or marinate your chicken, right? You can actually use the mandarin flavor aloe vera to marinate your chicken. Yeah, so that's another interesting recipe. I love to see a lot of you guys trying them out. So what I'll do is I'm gonna share them after the video so you guys can go and explore them. Right? Yeah, I'm very happy to share about our beautiful aloe vera here. And of course, if you guys are watching a replay, let me know. If you have more questions about it, put it in the comment. I'll be more than happy to share with you. Like if you want to know even more in detail, like exactly, I don't know, like certain science or something like that about it, then I'm more than happy to share with you. And of course, not to mention that our aloe vera comes from Mexico. So our tea is from China, our aloe vera is from Mexico, and our shakes, the soy protein from our shakes are from America. So we have 3 different regions to make up our healthy breakfast for us. Okay guys, so that's it from me here today. I hope you guys learned something about the aloe vera concentrate. And